Hi, I'm Christina Haganey, president of Valor Payroll Solutions, and today we're going to talk about bonuses. So the FLSA splits bonuses into two categories, discretionary and non-discretionary. Non-discretionary bonuses are those that are not at the discretion of the employer to pay or not, which means that they are calculated based on a predetermined formula, or that the employee expects the bonus or is aware of the bonus and knows it is coming. So non-discretionary bonuses can be things like individual or group performance bonuses. These can be bonuses for accuracy of work or efficiency of work. But basically, if the bonus is something where there's a predefined rate of the bonus and the employee knows that it is coming, then it's non-discretionary because there's already an agreement, and so the employer is not really at liberty to not pay out the bonus. And therefore, it is tied to the employee's work and the employee's job performance. Now, on the other hand, discretionary bonuses are those that are at the discretion of the employer to pay or not. So discretionary bonuses are those that the employer has the ability to decide if they're going to pay the bonus or not, how much they're going to pay for the bonus, and it's usually, or it has to be something that the employee is not going to expect on a regular basis. An example of a discretionary bonus would be severance pay or maybe an employee of the month bonus. In both of those cases, it's not a set amount. The employee is not anticipating the bonus. It's just kind of something the employer decides to do and gives to the employee. The reason why this matters is for your non-exempt employees. If they work overtime, they have to be paid 1.5 times the regular rate of pay. Regular rate of pay does include non-discretionary bonuses. So that means if you have non-exempt employees who work overtime and receive a non-discretionary bonus, you have to factor in that bonus amount when calculating their overtime premium rate, or really when calculating their regular rate of pay, which will determine the amount of overtime pay that they receive. So again, discretionary, non-discretionary quite literally means discretionary bonus is at the discretion of the employer, whether they're paying it, how much they're paying it. The employee doesn't expect it. There's no agreement to pay the bonus or not. Whereas non-discretionary is something that there is some sort of agreement on or expectation from the employee. There's a set way that the bonus will be calculated, and that would be included in their regular rate of pay. Now, one thing that comes up a lot is the Christmas bonus, and that really could be either discretionary or non-discretionary, depending on how it's paid and how it's calculated. So for example, if every year you pay employees a Christmas bonus and it is equal to a % of their salary or a % of revenue, then that would qualify as a non-discretionary bonus because the employee does anticipate it and there is an agreement on how it will be calculated. On the other hand, if the employer sometimes pays Christmas bonuses, sometimes doesn't, gives arbitrary amounts to employees, then that could fall under a discretionary bonus because it's not being calculated and paid a certain way, and the employee can't expect it if it doesn't happen every year. So if you are paying those Christmas bonuses, make sure that you are paying attention to how you are calculating and paying those bonuses. And if it is a non-discretionary bonus, make sure that you are including those amounts when calculating overtime pay for that period. Payroll is always so much fun, right? As always, if you have questions, concerns, maybe a real life situation that you'd like help with, feel free to drop it below and we'll be sure to get back to you. You can also always find us online at valorpayrollsolutions.com.